like Jesse James. You want your friend to be bad like Jesse James. Get 262's highway, some special train. One dime was all I had. One dime was all I had. One dime was all I had. Trying to be a sporting lad. I bought that morning news on. I brought that morning news. I bought that morning news. Then I bought a cigar too. There was an old man lived at the foot of the hill. If he ain't moved away, he's a living there still singing by. Diddle-I, diddle-I, fi, diddle-I, diddle-I, day. He hitched up his hogs and went out to plow. How he got around, we never knew how, singing fi. Diddle-I, diddle-I, fi, diddle-I, diddle-I, day. Old devil come to him in the field one day, saying, one of your family I'm gonna take away, saying fi. Diddle-I, diddle-I, fi, diddle-I, diddle-I, day. Take her on with the joy of my heart. I hope by golly you'll never part, singing fi. Diddle-I, diddle-I, fi, diddle-I, diddle-I, day. Old devil got her all up on his back. He looked like a peddler with a hump on his back, singing fi. Diddle-I, diddle-I, fi, diddle-I, diddle-I, day. Old devil got to the forks of the road. He said, old lady, you're a hell of a load, singing fi. Diddle-I, diddle-I, fi, diddle-I, diddle-I, day. The old devil got to the gates of hell, said, punch it far up, we'll scorch your well, singing fi. Diddle-I.
Hi, welcome to Driven by me and Disease. We will continue with the level design, and I will apply what we gathered together yesterday, and let's see. Let's see. My computer is a bit low. I will try to find out what is causing this. So, what is causing this? I don't have much thing. It's Chrome. Maybe it's a bit of my live stream too. Forgot to put the link in my Facebook. Usually I don't forget. So I'm going to put this in Facebook. I might take a look with you how to create a branch. If you followed my process since the beginning, of course it's hard because it's a live stream, and now I should start separating what I do. Maybe I will separate it after the stream. So I will copy the text. My Facebook is not going well. Doesn't want to start. Okay. Now it is. Is there someone in the chat? You can give a shout, say hi. So then I will just copy the link. How to build as a sprite was very popular. I had like almost let's see, almost 90 views. It's my most popular so far. People likes pixel art, but I cannot focus only on pixel art. I don't want to focus on pixel art only, but I might do some. Sorry for that. I will soon be there for you. I didn't copy the right link. It's a terrible link. Remove that. Paste. There you go. There you go. Paste. So. Okay. So let's do this. How will I apply this? So let's share my screen. Okay. On the chat in my view, and then I will apply what we have built there. So how can we do this? You see, the first way I would say is to. I wonder if I can put myself some music, because oh shit, I muted my, and then I will mute the desktop is muted, so that means you didn't hear any of them. It's not an issue because I want to build real footage. So I will put myself some music right now. It's already there for you, but I need to hear it myself. I need to activate it. Do I hear it? I want to see how loud is it for you. To hear it myself, I need to activate it. Do I hear it? I want to see how for you. Okay, it seems to be fine. I will unmute it. Okay, that's fine. Because I have background noise, people talking, and it's distracting me. But you can't hear it. My microphone is cutting it. I thought my desktop was playing in there, but it's not. Then that means no one heard anything of the video. I want to see if that's the case. That's a bit sad. but that's not so bad because I don't aim to use this video later on. That's what. Yeah, you have no. I think start of country team like I said. Okay, you had sound. Where does it come from? Where does it come from?
First time I played it.
What? Oh, I have a monitor audio. Okay. So do you hear this in double? I think it. Yeah, you hear it in double. Because I activated it. I will mute my monitor. I need to not forget about it, because then I will be playing clips without hearing it. So let's apply this, and how we will do this. It's a checkbox is ideal. In French we say idéal. So I always make the mistake. But in English I'm pretty sure it's ideal. Ideal. So I'm right here in my development. I found a solution. I will talk about it at the end, or on a separate. I will break the stream at the end and start just so to go over and show you how to manage this when you work on your project. I prefer to separate it because that way it's easier to put it in a playlist, a different playlist. So it's pretty relaxing. How I would apply this, I could do it on a paper, but you won't see it. But I would suggest you to do it on paper. I've finished to watch all the video, but I need to move on. When I will do like the first version after the MVP, I will go back to the level design videos and pick up more bullet points to add, because I have a huge list of videos to learn from. And I don't want to be too slow, so I will iterate. So one good trick I can show you, I talked about it a few times. You go get a Gmail account. You click on the little dots there and go to Drive. I wonder if it comes out find the music for you on. Let's mute it and listen on my stream with my voice. Yeah, it comes out very good. Okay, so when you're not there, you go to Drive, click on Drive. Okay, I'm there. Then you create a folder to not be too messy, because eventually it will be complicated if you get too messy. I wonder if I could like do Mikatriarch like the arc, because there is a word cat and the hero is cat face, but in French it is chat. A cat is a chat, or chat. I think it works. Mikatriarch. How would this? What is this? Oh, it was one of the first I did. So you need to install this on your... Okay, no, it's just an example. I will delete it. This is the first one. Oh, it's the voting for the name. Of course, no one party. Oh, I have 4. I think it's all mine. Finger, yeah, it's all mine. No one participated because no one saw the video, I guess. That's not so bad. Ideation, they all for Mikatriarch. Now I want level design here. Usually for folders, and don't put space, because the path a lot of software get lost if they need quotation marks to handle spaces in paths. It depends, of course, but just so it becomes habitude and habits. How do you say habitude? Routine, habits, routine, and habit, and habit. So, level design. I don't know if I would do separate level. I always prefer open world, but I would call it main level or something. Or I said in my document to they give a name to your level. So I will create a folder for the level. I would suggest to do this and put your picture if you have enough space. Your mood board, I will do eventually. Add my mood board. My level mood board, but the layout don't need the folder would be level 1. and the name of the level, it would be like it would be prison. Let's see if I did read the, the Monte Cristo count, but my game is based on it a bit, not fully based on it. So I guess that it's public domain for now. It's like 200 years old story by Alexandre Dumas. Monte Cristo. There was a new French movie. I didn't see it. Public domain. Of course, it's probably public domain. Oh, there might be some translation. It depends on the book, so you need to look at the book you are referring to. But I don't aim at making it obvious inspiration. Maybe some, how do we say? We say clin d'œil en français. Different. No, not Easter egg. I know the word, but I have it on tips. No, it's not that. It's an idiom. No. Not an Easter egg, is similar to an Easter egg, but like the creator of Marvel appearing in Stanley. At all appearances, how do you call cameos? No, it's not a cameo. Let's find the word that way my brain memory recall is better. When you forget something, take the time to remember it, to make your neural pathway stronger. Don't worry about the world, it's continuing without you. It's a cameo, I would say. Let's try a cameo sin, name. Okay. Anglais. Lingui might be our friend. A wink. I think you say wink for clin d'œil. Clin d'œil A, clin d'œil O, clin d'œil O. Supposé. It's called satirized now. It's almost satirized. It's a good word. A clin d'œil, a wink. I think you say a wink, maybe. Maybe. Like a wink. If I say it's a wink to the Count of Monte Cristo. It's an inspiration from the Count of Monte Cristo. A nod, yeah, that's a word you say. It's a nod. I don't know if you say it's a wink or when you want to say it's a nod, but we say a wink in French. Un clin d'œil. Level. It will be. Let's see the name of the prison. And I didn't read the book. I don't remember the movie. What is the name of the prison? In Alexander Rima in Count of Monte Cristo Santos. Attucci. Yes, I knew it was an island. I remembered that was my idea for my game. So, Chateau d'If. Castle of If. What is the meaning of If? I don't know. It's like old French, maybe? Mixed with English. Chateau d'If. L'île d'If. I wonder what it means. It's not a word in French. It doesn't exist. It's only If Castle. The If Castle level. The If Castle. I want the island. Chateau d'If. The European Frenchers had some often like Parisian more than others. I think. Maybe I'm wrong. They add like at the end often more than French Canadian, like they will. Yeah, we no, but it's a caricature. The Chateau d'If. I wonder why it's called If. Okay. I don't want the castle. I want the island. Yes. Is one of the island of Frioul. We have an island is feminine in French, so she we have a castle, the castle if built under the François First in the 16th century. They served as a prison. No mention of why it's called if. Let's ask, why is the highland called if? Is the castle the island on which there is the castle of if called if? Version of the name for the island, which is located, depicted somewhat mysterious, with a couple of possible explanations. The name may be derived from the French word if. What? Okay, it's a yew tree. No, there are no trees on it. Ipia, which will be filmed. That's what happens when we were so barbarians that we only have like before the Roman, we only have spoken stories, nothing written. And when the Roman were gone, like in British, we have returning to a mystic like King Arthur, because people stopped being civilized when the Romans were gone. They stopped writing for the real story. Things became word of mouth, and stories became word of mouth, and myths came back a bit like in after the collapse of the Bronze Age. A lot of people lose the ability to read and write, because most of the civilization, the top civilization, collapsed, and the need for reading and writing was not necessary. They went into survival mode, and then a bunch of mystery stories started to grow out of this era with Moses, and there could be like a real historical Moses that without all the story. Moses, he signed his document, political document, with the name Moses, which doesn't mean the same thing in Hebrew, but the story of Moses fits well. The dates fits, the story fits, the parents of his king fits. The parent, there is a guy who pointed out a scientific biblical story of Moses. It's Rolf Krauss, Mr. George. There's a good video on YouTube about this. It's a story. Antiquity and Bronze Age are my favorite. One of my favorites about this story. I know some good thing. Not everything. I'm not an historian, but history, world history by a Jew. He talks about Ammon Moses and how it fits in the dates. Yeah, it's one of the last one we did, I think. It's been a few years now. He did, I think it's 3 people now. I don't remember which one. This guy was good. He died from complication. It's another YouTube channel about his stories. It's I don't remember the name of his channel. It's still running from its friend, other guys who I think it's still running. Yeah, I think it could be this one. Jewish sea people in the Bronze Age. There is it seems like, since he talks about the Bible, it might seem, and he's a Jew, officially Jew, practicing Jew. It might seem like he would approach this with unscientific perspective, but he does approach it with a scientific perspective. Very, very. It's not. I didn't find anything that I was like, oh, he's might be biased by his upcoming. He's telling things that might shock Jewish people sometime. Like, not. I might think like Jewish people might know that they didn't build the pyramid, and he explained very with good proof that the Bible doesn't say the Jews built the pyramid, because some people think they do, and it might not be Jews, only Jews. So it's a good content for video game too. The story is I want to do something similar to this format level. It's closed, so it's easy. I can do open world, closed, and that's the end of the level. When it goes out, it's the end of the game. So it's easy. But I want to know if I can find another word. So Occitan term meaning rock. What historian in pre-French languages say about the origin of the name of the island of If. Oh, he didn't find anything better. Maybe if I ask it in French. These historiens linguistiques de l'origine. Oops. I'm writing in Franglish. The name. Oops. The nom de l'île. Avec le château d'If en France. RT, 1T. Yeah, 1T. Château. Château. L'origine de nom d'If qui abrite le célèbre château d'If. Plusieurs hypothèses. Root, Latin root. Contrary to what we would think, the name If does not come from the presence of If's Taxus baccata on the island. An hypothesis links the term If to the verb Latin exerpere, signifying to put apart, to remove. This etymology could make reference to the function of the island as a place of retreat. Greek root. Another theory, considered as the most serious from some, make it go back to the name If, a Greek word, Ipea, designating the island. This Greek origin is not surprising. That is the antique history of Marseille, founded by marine Greeks in the 6th century. Oh, I didn't know that. Marine Greeks in the 6th century before Christ BC founded Marseille. I didn't know that at all. I had any clue. That's interesting. The name of the island is known with many variations across time. Isetta, an idea, ID, or IT. In the cartography, medieval cartography, is it in 1442 is the name of the most ancient name. The most ancient name documented is the most ancient form of the name documented. Ephium, we have like completely another order than English, as in French. Ephium in Lower Latin according to Frédéric Mistral in his Trésor du Libri. Lithium. Yeah, I don't know. I think I will go with the Greek. Each branching phenomenomic misinfunction via etymology. Latin Greek, Goofy, Web. Interesting. I will name it Ifea. The island of Ifea. I'll take a little break and come back soon. Okay, island of Ifea. And now you would need to install Radatayo. You click connect Mohap, you'll search for Radatayo. And this will be useful for our first sketch. I already have it, I think. Yeah. So I will name it the same name as the folder. Oh, I didn't pick the right place. I hope they are bright enough to put it there. It seems that they are not. So now we can start sketching, and we will base it on our notes. So it says first, blocking white bug. What is Blockout? Blockout is an iterative process. So I want to be funny. I want to be sketchy. Joking. Of course. I want to add like a, oh yeah, I need not to forget about the solution to the down chart, burn down chart later on. So I want to do a checkbox. Check. So it doesn't want, I need to fill it. So I will start with the procedure. Blockout is an iterative process. You need to work the entire entirety of the environment first. Work the entirety of the environment first. The layout, rough layout of everything needed so far. No texture depending on the kit bash you use. Respect the metrics. I don't have metrics yet. Simple lights, keep simple geometric shape. Once the whole foundation is made, start detailing from the end of the level to the beginning. 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 To the beginning. Learn architecture. I will do the architecture later on. This will be like the layout sketch. Layout sketch. And drop the tile. Oops, I don't need to save. I don't need to save. The flow from left to right. Keep the flow from left to right. Keep the momentum and the flow of the player movement constant. No pointless dead end. This is important. Just because it's important. That's how you write dead end? Dead end. Need to take some painkiller. Bookshops, inventory, house, bank, and mutual repetitive interaction close together. Keep it simple. Your level is 5 times more complicated to the player than to you. No intentional confusion. No unfair level design. No leap of faith. I think my cat is calling me. Indicate what is what. Ominous? Yeah. I already read this as ominous. Don't add too much information. So this would be, I would need to check them out at the end, of course, to see if I everything applies, not during the construction of the layout sketch. And even most of them are not just layout sketch. I think I will separate it and do like required. Okay, the rest, which one can go in there? The layout section. I need to add the mechanics, maybe somewhere in there. Mechanics would be later, after the only one. Save this just to not lose it. I need to add this. Fill the space so it does not feel empty. I think some of them needs to be like revisited. This one needs to be rechecked at the end. Hide sectors from the player's view to show tips of iceberg so far we want to explore. Things I can check at the end to be sure. Add weight and depth to make the level more dynamic. I don't know, I want to fill space that doesn't get the hide sector from the player view. Add 8. I don't want to add 8. Maybe later on in the when I will do the concept art. That would be like blocking after the layout. Blockout. Give a name to each room. This is in the sketch. Adding the following to help the last player. Add set pieces. This would be in the blocking. What set pieces? Dyslexia. I'm not dyslexic, but my muscle memory might be, because often I see my muscle memory doing dyslexic stuff without me being dyslexic. Landmark helps Orienting player from distance. Large statue is better if the yeah. I won't have landmark because it's a top-down game. District will be in the this one. I will start it. Don't finish. This is. It's been a long time since I've been. Don't forget to start your task when you are starting it. That way, other people see. And when you are alone, don't forget just to keep the habit. Oh, I can have the relationship. What? I didn't know that. Wow. I just see this for the first time. So it's the main level concept art. Wow. He's the parent, I would say. I still have the sprint test. I need to remove them again. So if you watch me struggle early on with in previous live stream with the burn down chart, I have now a solution faster than what I had before. What I'm looking for is this is ready. So I'm not doing, and I will put it on pause. Okay. The parents is interesting relationship. I want to test it with main level. I will create it eventually. What if I do it now? I will do it in the next stream later. Soon. Break repeating this one. I still don't remember what it meant. Break repeating patterns. Add new patterns to make parts of the level easier to memorize. It's about the layout. I think it's the side scroll. think it, but I watched it and I didn't find when he said that. I think I will put like since I have muted my desktop, I can watch a movie while you're listening. You won't hear the movie. That's interesting. I can stream more that way. So let's try to. I want to find it, what it means. Maybe it was in October. You won't hear it, I guess. But I will. Come on, start. So edges is just a border. Nodes is important. I will add it to the checkout. Leave shiny trails, spotlights to lead the player, but I won't. I might be a bit. You can use color too. Don't make it too symmetrical. I'm not sure about those 2 points. I will show you. I don't need them much. Don't waste space. Don't make room too big. This one goes with the first point. I could do like the checkup at the end. That way even the blockout is checked. This would be more in the mechanics. And the mechanics would be more after the blockout. The mystery box. Can be taught air. It can be taught air. and reconfirm here. Add dynamic props. The dynamic props, I can add them also the same way. Just prepare the idea of dynamic props and then apply it. The issue with YouTube algorithm and learning is that people don't know the terms to search, and the algorithm only shows things that to the player, the user, things that they search for, and if they don't know like the name blocking, the principle of blocking, they won't ever search for it. It needs to be like a trap, a clickbait that leads them to learn the right thing. I forget to look. Is there someone in the chat? If you see this, don't bother. Don't be shy. Write in. Up in. Each level their own identity. Add level teams. This since I want to do open world, I won't add a level team right now. Keep each level fresh, different mob. Keep a level fresh, introduce each mechanic one at a time. This would be like in the mechanics. Easier at first, harder at gradually harder, and gradual difficulty. To do first level design. It's done. So work the entirety of the environment first. Rough layout of everything you needed so far. So I will need the room, the cells. I want the cells to be more horizontal. Something like that. Something like that. So I want the progress of the player to go control mouse wheel to zoom out, and then I will call player. So that would be nice to be able to change the letters, because it hides the I want the player to craft. My idea is always this way. I don't know why. I feel more. Maybe my brain is right to left. Maybe it would be more like something like that. I want the face of the player, so there would be that there. So there would be this. Then I link. There would be like a hallway there. This would be like the hallway. I don't know how else to tell. Hallway. Corridor. In French. Couloir. Hallway, yeah. The hallway needs to be there, because I want the player to dig into from left to right, just to feel more comfortable. So I will avoid doing a space dead ends. So I don't want to link it that way. I want this mentor somewhere close by. What? name of the mentor. Yeah. That is more fine in the prison. The mentor Abifaya. Oh yeah, that's that would be his name. Maybe. Or just like for people to hide a bit the nod. The nod. Just Faria to hide. That would be like the helper in the game. The little pixies in Zelda. So I want it to be like carved in the mountain, so it will be like a bit shaped, not perfect, like a rock carved prison. I want eventually companions, and that would be like the vaquero. Oh, it was cute. So the notes helps. I would put the notes there maybe. And I don't want to be too boring. And how to not be too boring would be to break the symmetry. And then to make the yeah, should I like do null weight that this way? So also I will like put color, different color. something that the player can go there. Something that the player can do something. The notes. That's what he said. Note. Don't make notes. Just transition. Make it useful so that the player can do something there. I think I will do like a little space, maybe like this, so that the player can dig the into the center node, so he can use it for his robot later on. Maybe I can do like the highland, and it would be invisible, or I just send backward to back, then and start having like a fine complete level. I can go back more far away. Something like that, so that the player can have fun digging in. Digging in this direction. So I think that would be it for tonight. And then I will do a quick other stream right now to show how to do a burn down chart for those who want to know. So thank you for watching. See you in